thing is, Crawl4AI is actually very powerful LLM crawler and scraper tool which you can use for various purposes. But here's the problem. For a newbie, it's very hard to configure that on a system because it requires knowledge of Python language and maybe you don't know about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that gap. I'm going to use Gemini CLI to work with Crawl4AI and create a scraper for us. First, you need to install Node.js and Python on your system. It's actually very straightforward. Go to Node.js website and download from there. You have got your installed Node.js, and Python is also straightforward just like that. You don't need to have any knowledge for that. You need to just install just like any other software. Okay. Then you need to create a folder on your system whenever you want. For example, I will call this a crawler, and now I will open that into my terminal. You can use your Windows terminal as well. Process is same. And then you need to install Gemini CLI, which I have already covered in the previous video. Go ahead and watch that. I have covered all the basics of the Gemini CLI there. So after you have created the folder, you need to open this into any IDE. So there are actually many IDE. For example, Visual Studio Code will work, but for me, I will be using the Windows because it's installed on my system. So let me create a new window here. Just open your Visual Studio Code, drag and drop this particular folder, and will open just like that. Then go to terminal, open the new terminal, and now you need to start your Gemini CLI, NBX Gemini. That's it. So there you go. Let me just there. Yeah. Now we are going to install crawl. But before, let's give some context to Gemini. Okay. So get all details about Crawl4AI rep. So just give it a context and start because it's actually very important. And then it will require the permission to perform basic shell commands as well. So you just need to click on always allow. It search for the Google for Crawl4. So as our directory is empty, so it says that would you like me to clone Crawl4AI repository from GitHub? So first install Crawl4AI in this directory, just like that. It's actually very straightforward, simple. Let's see what it does in this directory. So you don't need to do anything. Gemini will handle everything on its own. Now repository has been cloned successfully. So next we will let the Gemini to study all the files that is downloaded, all the docs. Study all the docs in folder because this particular folder have all the documentation, examples, everything. So let it study first and then we will create our first crawler. Okay. So as you can see here, it said Gemini converted with I have read all the documentation. Now Gemini has all the context of Crawl4AI, what it can do and all the documentation. Now it's time to shine. So first we are going to do a basic crawl, very basic crawl, or I would say scraper. Scrape this, okay, and download all images on page, JS files, CSS in over page Kwebby. Okay, just very simple crawl. Let's see if it can do. So first it tell you the plan. It has developed the Python script to do all the steps we want. First create this directory, okay, then crawl the URL using Crawl4AI, pass result to extract all the unique URLs like images, CSS and JavaScript files, and then download each asset for it from its URL and save it to this particular directory. So let's see if it can actually do that. In the first round of this script, it failed, terribly failed because of some SSL certificate verification. Then it reapplied that automatically. For example, it has reapplied this particular code and then it runs perfectly. And let's see our page. So there you go. So all the files are there, VS and everything is there. So this is the way you can easily use this to create a simple crawler. Now moving forward to the next is deep crawling. So what does that mean? If you want to feed any LLM out there, for example, chat your data, then you need a structured data in the markdown format like JSON to let know about your website. This process is actually very resource intensive because depending on your website's size, for example, it has more than 1,000, then it will take forever to do that. But if you have a machine up and running, you can easily do that as well. But again, we will talk about the deep crawl here. For example, this is my website. I want to crawl every page out of this. So I want to do a deep crawl to get everything from it. For example, meta description, meta title, everything. And let's see if it can do deep crawl Rocket AI using Open Router LLM and export result to ESV and JSON as well. Here's what you need to extract, that is meta titles, description, summary using LLM. Will use Open Router API, that is. Now after that you need to input your Open Router API key. Let me input that as well. So I will delete that later. I won't be doing this. Let me create one for the Gemini CLI and use deep C v3. Or let's see if any other models available for free, because we needed just a summary. That's it. We don't need to have anything extra. Let's give the prompt pricing to 0. So there's a DeepSeek R1 which is a free, but we need just, yeah, the Gamma 3 and 4B is also free, but the context size is very low. So for this to work, we need a higher context size. So it won't work in this. At least 100k context size we need. Let's use this because it's a considerable amount of context size. So it's also free. So let's use this. And Gemini Python. Use the following model. Okay, so we have provided the documentation to Gemini, and we just need meta title, description, and LM summary of that page. That's it. So let's see if it can actually do. So now Gemini has created the file, and now it has executed it automatically. You don't need to do anything. Just watch what is happening right here. For example, here the scrape is complete, and there's a fetch. All the details you will find here. So wait for the output. So let's see about RJ, and there you go. So there's a summary, this meta description, and there are some pages that has no meta description. For example, this. Then we need to actually go ahead and optimize that particular page. So this can be your SEO auditor as well. So you can use that. So this way you can deep crawl your website.